What's going on, everybody? Thanks for watching. This video is going to be about why I do not have a standard price list. So I'm in a small car. I'm not going to be too descriptive about what it is. This is in no way intended to be disrespectful towards the owner or anything, but I just wanted to use it as a as a reference. That's why I don't have a standard price list. I get asked often what my prices start out at for what size vehicle. Yeah, I don't. I've done vans super cheap because they're really clean. I've done small cars for a lot of money because they're really dirty. And here's an example. Kids are why we cannot have nice things. A little artwork. Looks like a little bit of makeup. Those, I'm going to be pretty certain, are footprints. So move along down here. Looks like we got a little bit of crayon in there. Okay, we got dog hair galore down there. Now this area is not too bad. This'll clean up pretty decent. The door panels will clean up pretty well. Okay, but all this other stuff, yeah, when it comes to interiors, especially fabric interiors, once you get something on them, think of it this way. You wouldn't go to a barbecue and get a stain on your favorite light colored shirt, right? Say, barbecue sauce, ketchup, whatever, mustard even. Throw it in your laundry for 6 months and then run it through the washer and be mad that it didn't come out, right? But that's what a lot of people expect from their cars. They spill something or they get something on their seat, their headliner, whatever it is, and then 2 years later, well, yeah, I want to get this removed. You can have the best cleaners in the world, it doesn't mean it's going to come out. Same way with laundry, right? Some stains, some debris are harder to remove than others. The same is applicable to vehicles. So this is why I don't have a standard price list. It also depends on what level of perfection you want to achieve. So say this person didn't care about any of the stains or anything. They just wanted it vacuumed out and wanted it wiped down. Okay, obviously that takes a lot less time and a lot less chemicals than removing all the various stains from the headliner and the seats. So it's less money versus removing all the stains, or at least trying, because there's no guarantee that they're all going to come out or even any of them. So that's why I don't do standard prices, and you really shouldn't, as a business owner, you shouldn't be doing standardized prices. Now, that's also why I ask for pictures, or, honestly, I like to see it in person. When you contact me, I like to see the vehicle in person, but some pictures will do. It'll give me a pretty good idea, and then I can give you a ballpark estimate from there. But that's why I ask a bunch of questions, and that's why I ask for pictures and stuff like that, so that I can give you a pretty accurate ballpark figure, so it's not like I show up and, whoa, this is way worse than you said it was. Because everybody's definition of dirty seems to vary, just like everybody's definition of detailed and what a detail is varies. You also have to consider, how much is your vehicle worth? Is it worth putting $400 or $500, $600 into having all the carpets done and having the paint perfectly polished and all that? Because the simple fact, based on mileage and age, it may be only worth $4,000 or $5,000. So what's the point in putting $500, $600, $700, $1,000 into a detail when it's really not going to give you a better resale value? Now, if that's what you want for your vehicle and you don't plan on selling it, that's fine. So these are just things you have to consider when you're looking at getting a detail, getting your car cleaned, stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Doug Lane, Fast Lane Car Care. See you around.